Well, good day, smart traders. I trust each and every one of you are ready for another profitable day within the markets. Let's kick things off by having a look at today's economic calendar.
On today's economic calendar, we have one Black Star event scheduled for 2:30 p.m. South African Standard Time. The inflation rate report month on month will be released out of Canada, and this is your chance to exercise your right to profit by trading this event on Human Rights Day.
Let's move on by having a look at what's making headlines within the financial markets today.
Moving over to currency news. The dollar is currently pinned near a 5-week low as traders cautiously tiptoe back into riskier assets following UBS state-backed takeover of Credit Suisse. The news of this planned takeover on Sunday gave way to a small risk-on rally yesterday, and we'll be keeping a close eye on how this develops. Now let's take a look at our analysis on USD-ZAR. We have finally broken through that primary resistance level at 18 Rand and 55 cents to the dollar. And if we remain above this level, we could potentially see this pair rally all the way to the next resistance at 18 Rand and 90 cents. However, if we break back below this level and close around that 18 Rand 40 cents level, we could see a sell-off return to this currency pair. Shifting our focus to Wall Street, US stock futures were trading slightly higher during evening deals, extending gains from the regular session as traders buy the dip, following the Swiss government's approved takeover of Credit Suisse Group by UBS Group. The Dow Jones Industrial Average added 1.2%, the S&P 500 added 0.9%, and the Nasdaq gained 0.4%. Let's take a closer look at the analysis for the Dow Jones. US 30 is currently trading in a sideways market formation, and if we see a close around that 32,150 level, we could see this index sell all the way back down to the bottom of the sideways channel. However, if we break out of the sideways market, the potential of a rally past the primary resistance at 32,700 could be on the cards. Moving on to commodities. Oil prices have risen after suffering their biggest weekly loss in months, and we're seeing some stabilization in the market following the UBS deal with Credit Suisse, and reassuring words from some of the world's largest central banks. WTI crude was up 0.6% after a 13% decline last week, its biggest since last April. Looking at our analysis on crude oil, we are still currently below that primary resistance of $67.50 a barrel. Should we remain here, we could see this specific commodity sell all the way back down to that next primary support at $62 a barrel. Should we, however, break through this resistance and close around that $68.5 a barrel, we could see a small correction back up to that next resistance at $70 a barrel. Finally, let's take a look at gold prices. Gold has finally reached the long-awaited $2,000 an ounce mark, but the question is whether it can maintain this record high. Our analysis still shows extremely bullish momentum, and if this continues throughout the remainder of the day, we could see a retest of those highs at 2,000 or even higher at 2020.
So that is it from us here at Smart Online Trader. Should you be interested in any additional services that we offer, kindly get in touch with us or simply click on one of the links in the description below. As always, may the peace be with you. Cheers.